Welcome back at the greenhouse. I'm trying to go ahead and get some more work done today. It's still pretty hot in here. We got the shade cloths and everything. The other day I went ahead and put those boxes together from Tractor Supply, and that was like a big jigsaw puzzle. But I'm down to one more and I'm done with those. But today we're going to build my shiplap wall today and put some more shelving up, and then so I can go forward. And then probably maybe tomorrow, if everything goes well, we're going to put the shade cloth up because it gets pretty hot in here and I'll need some shade in here so I can work. Well, why don't you come along? So against Tony's will, he's helping me.
Slave labor.
And he's not looking forward to working in this warm greenhouse. And he's walking away. So today is the eclipse. So we're going to be working as long as we can and maybe enjoy the eclipse while it's happening and then go back to work. Why not? Let's just work while this is awesome happening in this world. So here we go. So Tony's getting my boards for that one wall right here what we have, and these are also boards that we have cut on the side of it, and they've just been laying around, so they're going to get used.
So as payment for this, I'm going to cut down one tree back here with a tree saw.
No.
Yeah. That leaning one right there.
No.
Yeah.
You're not cutting any of those trees unless it needs cutting down. What about that one down there? It's leaning over. It's dead, and you can cut that one down over there.
No, that's got to do some finessing right there. We could probably do it though. That's right. It's going to get the board, get the.
Well, we'll probably have to put rope on and pull on or something with the tractor.
Yeah, I'll probably have to do that with a chainsaw. That'd be a chainsaw.
Okay.
It's already starting to get that.
I know, it's kind of weird feel already.
Yeah, it's got like a shady feel, even though it's the middle of the day. So what I'm doing is, your board length is 39 inches. So you take this, block your blade down, and then you take and cut it to, put the tape measure across, put this at 39. That way you just slide your board in until it touches and then chop.
So you don't have to measure it every time?
Yep, so after you measure every time. So now we're just ready to start cutting boards.
And this is awesome. We're going to reuse those boards again too, so that's pretty neat.
Yeah, this is red oak.
It's going to get brighter though, right?
This? No.
Yes. No. So it's not going to match the other wall?
Oh, that's red oak, yeah. Pretty much exactly the same.
Okay.
But you got the bug holes.
It doesn't matter with sizes, remember, it can be different sizes.
We cut some board. These are just extra.
But these can be part of my other walls.
We're not putting no more walls up.
Yeah, we're putting more walls up.
Drill? Yeah, we got enough right drill. What are you doing?
This is so cool. I'm using the helmet. I don't have glasses, so I'm using the welding helmet. Works great though. It's a little warm though.
It's actually better than anything else you can get.
Yeah, but I could use a little air down here, so, but going back to watching. Do you have another one?
Yes.
Go get the other one.
Okay, it's at the house.
Oh.
I'm not spraying it. Now you have to look back and see if you want to go this way or that way.
Maybe it is a little
Ah!
well, when I looked at it, when there is.
Could you work right here? Yeah. I'd say it's too high.
Huh?
I'd say it's too high.
Yeah, let's just put it down.
It needs to go 3 more inches down because this is about 3 inches.
Yeah, like
With chips.
it just doesn't look right.
The only thing is, if you turn it the other way, you'd have more shelf space. Because you lose shelf space.
Yeah. This is really pretty though.
Yeah.
Need,
For compromise.
yeah.
Now look at it if you want to go this way or that way.
I want to go this way soon.
You want it to be centered.
I know, but we're going to put another board there.
Well, they're going to be this far apart.
The what?
Look at that far apart.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You have 2 separate workstations.
So, we are finished for today. And here's my 3 boxes. And here are my shelving. Live edge workstations. I'm going to be putting my trays and stuff on here. And here's the other one right there. And I love those lines and everything that comes naturally. And I even got part of the knot right here. So it's pretty neat. Got all those big boards moved over here in the middle. One I'm going to give away, and the other ones I'm going to use for something else. And now I can start kind of get stuff together. And I still have I really need to put the shake cloth up. We got the shake cloth, but not today. It's really late, and we need to call it a day for today because it's just too hot in here. And I'm almost done with those boxes right here. I'm just going to go up here, but I have to drill a hole in it because if I don't, I will crack it. Right here, just a little sneak peek. This is part of my chandelier that's going to be hanging over my island that I'm going to have in the middle. So I'm really excited about that. But here's my wall. Here's that one right here that we finished already. And here's the other one. Also with the live edge. And it turned out really nice. Now I just got to situate my boards out of the way and all the stuff and get that situated. Adding more shelving to the wall there. And yeah, start getting at it in here and get stuff done. And I'm really excited though. It looks really, really nice. I love it. Hope to see you next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.